Hey YouTube, so today I'm gonna show you my new chaos deck that I acquired this last day actually. I've been tweaking around with it and it's actually quite good, and I wanna show you what I came up with. It's still under the working process, so if there's some cards in there that you don't understand, you should just leave a question, or you can PM me and ask why I run that and stuff. So yeah, let's just go right onto it. So to start off, we've got 3 Lila and 3 Raikou. That's your Lightorn stuff. The only problem this deck has is kind of a lot of back row, but these 3 cards take care of those, so that's quite good. For the dragons, you got the Red Eyes Darkness Middle, triple Light Pulsar, double Dark Flare, double Eclipse, and Dark Arm Dragon. Next you got 1 Gauss, 1 Chaos Sorcerer, 1 PLS, Turbo Sangan, and double Turgide. I'm thinking about taking the Turbos out for a Night Assailant, but I have to test it out before. So yeah, double Effect Baylor, double Tragodia, and double Card Trooper. That's it for the monsters. For the spells, we got triple MST and Heavy Storm for some more back row removal. 1 Dark Hole and 1 Reborn Stables. A Lure of Darkness because you run Chaos deck, so it's quite good. 1 Foolish Burial to get your Eclipse 5 into the grave. Your Light Sworn, such draw power engine stuff, and 2 Torrential Tribute. Whoops. For the extra deck, we'll run 1 Gemini Pearl, 1 Crimson Shadow Ninja, 1 Maestro, 1 Utopia, 1 Leviathan, 1 Livier, 1 Acid Golem, 1 Sinmains, 1 Extra Stack, 2 Force Focus, 2 Extra Beetle, and 2 Atom. So yeah, that was my deck. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you think and what I should change, and yeah, see you next time.